It's like every time I try, something bad just happens to me. It's like when I try to do something good, something bad just happens to me, and it's the worst.
Girl, you gotta be more positive than that. We have all had someone in our lives who's just been super duper negative. Like negative all the motherfucking time. Like something amazing is going well in their life and they're like, well, you know, this is only just for now because, you know, bad things always happen to me. Listen, I'm here to tell you, cut those people out of your life, because I'm such a firm believer in manifestation, and whatever you have around you, whatever you speak, will happen. You don't want that you're trying to live your best life and try to be positive, and you just got someone negative all the damn time, bringing their bad negative energy, their bad negative jewels and all of that around you. Sometimes it's hard because it could be a really close friend or really close family, but listen, you got to do what's best for you, because I've had a friend that was just negative all the time. And where are they today? Not in my life. Well, anyway, they're not in my life because, you know, I'm just trying to grow. I'm just trying to have positive vibes and be positive, because I'm a firm, like I said, I'm a firm believer in manifestation. What you put out, it comes back to you. I don't want to be hanging with someone where I got to tell them the good of them all the time. And they're like, yeah, but nothing. You have to appreciate the good in you. Even, like, I understand we all go through things in life. We all do. Trust me. But you have to find the positive in anything that you go through, because if you just negative 24/7, then bad things will always happen to you. So I'm here to tell you, don't feel bad for cutting negative people out of your life. Ting! But guys, thank you for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. What that bell? Ha! Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. Until next time. Thank you guys. Mwah.